Hello my dear friends. By the time this video is uploaded and watched, most of us in IGMC would have confronted a situation to go to the COVID working areas and therefore the necessity to know the right way of donning and doffing the PPE suit has become important. I presume that all of us are aware that there are different types of PPE for different needs, and so are the masks and respirators that are indicated for specific circumstances. PPE or personal protective equipment is worn to minimize the exposure to hazards that can cause serious workplace injuries and illnesses that may result from contact with chemical, radiological, biological fluids as in COVID, mechanical or other workplace hazards. In the current situation of the COVID pandemic, a PPE is a must when we enter certain areas as specified by the Ministry of Health. The components of PPE for the COVID working areas are goggles or a face shield, a 3-ply mask or a N95 mask, gloves, overall, gowns with or without aprons, head cover and shoe cover. There are two types of masks which are recommended for various categories of personnel working COVID, hospital or community settings depending upon the work environment. That is a 3-ply mask or a N95 mask. Now that we have a required knowledge about PPE, we can proceed to know how to don and doff in the right way. Different hospitals and healthcare facilities have different types of PPE. We are demonstrating with the PPE that is available in IGMC to help you familiarize with the ones that are provided here. Before donning the PPE suit, preferably wear your scrub dress, rubber shoes that covers your foot, remove your personal jewelry. When we start donning, visually inspect if all the components of the PPE are available and are in good condition. Sanitize your hands properly like how it is shown here. This has always been an important step before any procedure, more so in this current situation. Now you can start donning by wearing the shoe covers first. Inspect the coverall suit and wear it. Sit comfortably in the available chair. And wear your coverall suit. And close the opening. Now wear the 3-ply mask, but if you're already wearing one, you can put this in your pocket that is to be worn while you doff. Wear the head cover or cap and tuck away the hair. Do not have flyaways. Wear the coverall hood and close the opening completely. Zip it up. Pick up your first pair of gloves. This can be unsterile or sterile gloves or even nitrile gloves. Pick up your N95 mask, wear it around your head and face like how it is demonstrated here. Check for a good seal and tighten it around the head. This has to be correctly worn like how it is demonstrated here. It is a respiratory protective device with a high filtration efficiency to airborne particles. Next, wear your goggles or face shield, whichever is provided to you. Pick up your second pair of gloves and wear them. Make sure there is no air leak or part of the skin that is left uncovered. Check yourself in the mirror that is available in the donning area. Also do a body check. If there is a loose fitting glove, tighten it with the help of the microphone. Now you are ready to enter the COVID working areas. It is also important to know how to doff in the right way. Now while you doff, you have to be more careful as to not to contaminate yourself. So disinfect your hands with the sanitizer that is provided in the doffing area. Remove the face shield or goggles. Dispose it in the disposable bag that is available. Sanitize your hands at every step. And carefully remove the N95 mask like how it is shown here without touching the outer surface of the N95 mask and dispose it in the disposable bag. Now you can remove your coverall suit patiently. I suggest that you have some patience at this step. Roll it outwards like how it is shown here. You can choose to remove your shoe covers also at this time. Sanitize your hands and remove your second pair of gloves. And dispose it. Remove the head cover or the surgical cap and dispose it properly. Now you can remove your 3-ply mask and dispose it. Remove your first pair of gloves and dispose them safely. Now you remember you have a 3-ply mask kept in your pocket. Wear it and you can leave the doffing area. I thank everyone who have helped us in making this video. I also thank everyone who's watching this video. Thank you one and all.